Hi guys, I've mended it. You probably won't have seen the previous video where I built this from a kit sitting in my car whilst waiting for my wife, and then we went and flew it. It climbed, stalled, came down vertically and broke the front straight away. I did carry on flying it, but it wasn't in very good condition, so I've super glued it back together. There's a little bit of wind coming from over there in this park. We're in Kingswood somewhere, can't remember the name of this park. Hops Road maybe, don't know. Anyway, we'll see if it flies here. Right, I think that's about 150 to 160 turns. The wind is behind me. I'm going to launch it away from the wind, which is not the normal way of doing it. But last time it just climbed straight away and stalled, so I'm hoping this time it won't be inclined to climb quite so quickly. I'll angle it to the right so it's got to straighten itself up. Very tempting to put some extra weight on the front. Now in the instructions it says nothing about adding weight, it's entirely about trimming it. So I guess I ought to give it a bit of down. A bit of down elevator to try and discourage it from climbing so much. Let's try that. I'll give it a little bit of left as well. Okay, I gave it a bit of left and it went right. A bit more left on the rudder. Right, I'm going to give it a bit of nose weight. Try a bit more power again. Oh, that didn't help. I'll try into the wind then, and up a bit. Well, that nose weight seems to be doing more than its job, so we'll take some of it off. Right then. Well, it flew. Whether that was any better than the last time. Okay, again. Again. Right, I'm going to give it a bit of a push this time. That made it look better. I prefer to let them do their own work rather than me push them. But it did at least make it look like a reasonable flight. Right, last flight, I'll give it a push again. Whoa. Okay, this will be the last flight. A good push and tilt it to the right. Uh-oh. Well, I don't think we're going to improve on that today. I must say, I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm sure the previous one that I had flew better than this. So, yeah, and that's as good as we're going to get.